I love points. I love how I instantly earn them whenever I stay at a Hilton.
Ooh, same girl.
This is Hilton Honors How To, where we answer your questions about Hilton Honors. Today, we're talking about how to redeem your points for a stay.
Ooh, okay, let's do it. Hold on, look at your points balance. What are you saving them for? A rainy day?
The opposite, actually. London in the summer has always been my dream.
Well, I am about to make your dreams come true. Okay, look, log into your account, search for that dream stay in July, and check the use points box when you're booking.
Wait, is that in July?
It's in July, in London, and whenever and wherever there's a Hilton property. And get this, you won't run into any blackout dates, hidden terms, resort fees, none of that.
You're blowing my mind right now.
Ooh, okay, but wait. If you want to save some of those points, check My Dates Are Flexible, and you can plan your trip based on how many points you want to use.
This just keeps getting better.
Right? So, now you see how easy it is. Why don't you go ahead and book that trip?
Done?
Wow, that was fast. Let me see your phone real quick. You really got done that quick.
Yeah, the app is so easy.
Yeah, you right.
That's what it is.
Click on that video to learn how to earn even more points during your stay. The more points, the better, you know? Make sure to subscribe to Hilton's YouTube channel for more tips.